Card Breakers. Today is Wednesday, June 21st, 2017. We're here doing Hit Parade Hockey Jerseys Random Teams number 6. We're going to roll the dice here and see how many times we're going to randomize the teams, the roster, pair everyone up, and then bust this open. Best of luck to everyone. Thanks for the fill. Much appreciated. And let's get started. We only re-roll Snake Eyes. We're going only 4 times. 3 and a 1 on the dice. Alright, go over the roster here. We got T. Brian for 5, Calvin for 2, Nick for 3. Then we have Argos 1987 for 10. Tommy 6598 for 5, and then Nick for the last 5, guys. Good luck going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4th and final time, guys. Argos on top, Tommy on the bottom. Now we have Avalanche all the way down to the Wild, going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4th and final time. We got the Canadians on the top, Capitals on the bottom. Alright, let's get this in alphabetical order here. Alright, here's how everyone got paired up. We got Avalanche, Argos, Blackhawks, Tommy, Blue Jackets, Argos, Blues, Argos, Bruins, Nick, Canadians, Argos, Canucks, Argos, Capitals, Tommy, Coyotes, T. Brian, Devils, Argos, Ducks, Nick, Flames, Nick, Flyers, Kelvin, Hurricanes, Tommy, Islanders, Argos, Jets, T. Brian, Kings, Argos, Lightning, Kelvin, Maple Leafs, and Oilers. There you go, Nick. Panthers, T. Brian, Penguins, T. Brian, Predators, Argos 1987, Rangers, T. Brian, Red Wings, Tommy, Sabres, Senators, and Sharks, Nick, Stars, Tommy, and Wild, Argos 1987. Tommy, do you want to trade for the Red Wings? Nick is seeing if you'd like to trade for the Red Wings. Tommy, if you're in the room. Let me see if he's on Breakers. Tommy 6598. Nick, I don't think he's in the room. Any trades besides that one that's getting no action? Alright, guys. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Yeah, that's not a bad team to have. Connor McDavid is in this product. Alright, this is Hit Parade Series 3. And this is box 95 of 100. Good luck, guys. Sealed box. Alright. What do we got? I got no clue. Anyone want to help me out? Schultz. Schultz. Number 8. The Hansons. Looks like Flyers. Flyers going to Kelvin. 0807. See what we got. See this nice patch. There we go. Yeah. There we go. This is a custom jersey. Got the nice logo on there anyways. Schultz. I'm not sure what this inscription is. The Hanson or something, or I don't know what that is. Dave Schultz, is that who it is? Nick, is his name Dave Schultz? Oh, the Hammer. The Hammer. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I can't read. Congrats, buddy. Thanks for getting in on the break. I'll get this packed up and shipped out for you guys. Or for you, Kelvin. Your JSA number is WP 03697. JSA certified. So that's the break, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for getting in. That is my last hockey jersey that I have. I might order more. But this took a little while to fill, so I'm not sure if I will be getting more. But thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and congrats, Kelvin, and thanks for the fill.